Okay, so for the first thing is I need to peel. I'm making a double batch, so I'm peeling 10 Granny Smith apples and I'm cubing them up into just like little chunks. So that's the first thing. Peel and cube 10, well, for a single order, 5 Granny Smith apples. I'm doing a double batch, so I'm doing 10 Granny Smith apples. Okay guys, so I have my apples in my pan and I'm tossing it with a teaspoon of cinnamon, a teaspoon of vanilla, 1 cup of apple cider, and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. You can toss them in a bowl and then pour them in a baking dish, or the recipe calls they do it in a cast iron skillet and then they put it in the oven, but you can do it in a baking dish. So I'm going to add my lemon juice and then I'm going to unwrap some caramels. Okay, so I unwrapped the caramels and I just scattered them across the top. And now I'm making the topping. So I'm going to have the oats, the flour, the brown sugar, the cinnamon, and then I will add the softened butter. And here it's the crumble that goes on top, so I'm going to make that up. Okay, so now I have 2 sticks of softened butter. I'm going to use my hands and just squeeze it all together to make a crumble. And then I will be pouring it on top of here.